Hello everybody, it is May 22nd. Just stopped raining, so I figured I'd do a quick garden tour. I got some lettuce growing, already chopped some of those down. Giant jump ups, saw radishes, and then we got some dill, more lettuce, and some carrots. And then in the green stalk, I have some bok choy that went to seed or to flower. And then strawberries. Some other pretty things over here. Got lots of pretty things growing. Poppies are coming in. This isn't doing so hot, but cucumber, echinacea that's not supposed to be there. Tomatoes and marigolds. I need to weed, but I don't see that happening anytime soon. It's been raining the last couple days. More cucumbers, and these are pepper plants. And we have some strawberries and tomatoes and snapdragons and basil and marigolds and comfrey, which is flowering. Very pretty. And then we got, looks like a tomato plant coming up. And this is chamomile. And somebody must have been digging in here. And that's stevia. Hoping the chamomile survives. This is horseradish that came back. Onions. Lemon balm. One of them's lemon balm. That's oregano that came back. That is catnip. Yeah, catnip. Onion, experiment, raspberries, elephant garlic, and onions. And we got tomato plant, more onions, basil. Tomato plant's not doing so hot. That one didn't survive. It looks like I got a bunch coming up from last year. So, got some flowers in here. Need to deadhead some of those. And hens and chicks, which are going crazy. All the little green is new. And that's about it. Everything's growing, and I haven't had to water the past couple days, which has been great. Stay tuned for more updates.